Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some smart expressions on sleeping. The first expression is go to bed. It is an action to go to bed with a purpose to sleep. For example, last night I went to bed at 9 p.m. Next expression is fall asleep. It is the process of closing your eyes and going from being awake to sleep, that is, to fall asleep. For example, I am so tired I could fall asleep right now. The next expression is to take a nap or siesta. It means sleeping for a short period during the daytime, and siesta is a short nap taken in the afternoon after the midday meal. If you remember the movie Three Idiots, Virus in that movie used to have a short nap of 7.5 minutes. For example, I feel so tired this afternoon, I think I will take a nap. Next expression is a heavy sleeper. Someone who doesn't get disturbed with any noise while sleeping is called a heavy sleeper. For example, my friend is a heavy sleeper. Even the loud siren didn't wake him up last night. Well, one of my friends is a heavy sleeper actually. Then the next expression is light sleeper. Someone who easily wakes up with the slightest of noise is called a light sleeper. For example, I am a light sleeper, so I prefer putting earplugs while sleeping. Next expression, sleep like a baby. That is, to sleep very well or to have a sound sleep, and when we wake up, we feel very fresh. Example of this expression, after a glass of wine, I slept like a baby. Next is tossing and turning. That is, to have a restless sleep, moving around constantly while being asleep. For example, I didn't get a wink of sleep. I was tossing and turning all the night. The next word is snoring. It is loud, unpleasant sound of breathing while being asleep. It happens sometime. For example, I could not sleep because of your loud snoring. Next word is insomnia. This is a medical term and it is used for habitual sleeplessness. If someone is having regular or continuous sleeplessness, he or she must visit a doctor. For example, I have to go see a doctor. I think I am suffering from insomnia. Next expression is to get up or wake at the crack of dawn. It means to wake up very early in the morning. Crack of dawn, it means waking up very early in the morning. For example, we had a morning flight to catch, so we woke up at the crack of dawn. Next expression is sleep in. That is, to remain asleep in bed till late than usual. That is, you remain asleep more than the time you usually sleep. For example, on weekends I usually sleep in late till afternoon. Next expression is to crawl back in bed. That is, to go to bed again after waking up. It happens sometime. For example, this morning I skipped work and crawled back in bed, and it feels very good when you crawl back in bed some days. So that's all from this video. Let's see if you have understood some of the expressions. Comment any one expression to describe your last night's sleep. I'll wait for your comments. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It will motivate me to work more. Thank you.